Well, that depends, no? Ano bang gusto mo talaga mangyari sa buhay mo? A lot of content creators are there to really motivate you. Pero in reality, it's all context, no? Hindi naman namin alam kung ano talaga yung advice na ibibigay namin kung hindi namin alam yung sitwasyon mo. But I think more and more people are really pushing for that, never give up, which I truly believe, mahalaga din talaga siya. Hindi ka naman dapat talaga sumuko in life, no? But I also believe in the backwards law, na you can only get the things na gusto mo if you are willing to accept the opposite of it. What do I mean? So let's say you want to be in a healthy relationship. You don't just try and find another relationship over and over again. Ang gagawin mo is, if you want to find a healthy relationship, you gotta be okay with being alone. Kasi the backwards law is now saying na, okay, I don't need to be with someone. I don't need to find someone in my life to feel a hole na alam kong ako lang ang nakakaramdam. And I would just attract the right person in my life, and I would treat this person the best way that I can kasi I'm okay whether andyan siya wala. So, there's a magic in learning how to give up on the things that you truly want. And I don't want to use the word give up. No, I want to use the word surrender. So I don't want to say na you should give up on your dreams, but I do want to advise you and to remind you that it's okay to surrender the process, the timing, even the goal. Kasi sometimes, ito yung napansin ko sometimes ang gusto natin sa buhay ito. Pero ang gustong ibigay sa atin ni Lord o ng buhay o ng universe, ito. So maybe kaya hindi natin nakukuha yung mga bagay na gusto natin kasi hindi naman natin deserve yun. Deserve natin ng mas mataas. Deserve natin ng mas magandang bagay. So kung deserve natin ng mas magandang bagay, hindi talaga natin matatanggap yung bagay na yun. So you can try and try and try and try and try, but if you are willing to give it up and to let it go and to not force anything, maybe, just maybe, mas madaling paraan yon para makuha mo or ma-manifest mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo talaga. So yeah, there's really no right or wrong answer here. Of course, no, hindi ko naman sinabing give up ka na sa life. Pero hindi ko rin sinabi na you should continue just push through. It's something that you should learn when to do. And that's the important part. So yeah,